and all the family members of Silver Race. It's a great occasion, particularly for teachers. It's one day which is dedicated to them. Teachers, they आजकल मैं कह रहा हूँ, they tolerate the abuse of the society as well, because most of the children, even the parents also, they are not ready to take the onus of responsibility on their shoulder, and they try to pass on the blame to the teachers for the poor performance of the students. So the teachers very patiently and tolerantly, they just accept what the parents pass on to them. They have no way to push that thing back on them, bounce back. They have no scope for that. So my dear teachers, you have been doing a wonderful job, and I have really calling you short of words and no words to express my gratitude to you. You sometime when you people come to my office also with complaints of the students, internally I feel so delighted that they're so concerned about the future of my students. Teachers may be here for a year, for 10 years, maybe for 2 years, for 5 years, but they are always eager to shape and script your career. Script होता है कहानी लिखना, script. उस कहानी, आपका जीवन एक कहानी है जिसको लिखती है टीचर्स, दिशा निर्देश देती है, आपके हाथ से कलम पकड़ती और आपको लिखवाती है. I don't think any student has scope to pay back what teachers give you. Today is good that it's a ritual in our society, and not only in our society, the world over, that one day in certain countries is October 5, but in our country it is September 5. So that is they have spared a day to dedicate to the teachers. Of course, our ex-president, the first president, he was gracious enough that he dedicated his birthday for the welfare of, for the honor of the teachers. And we are lucky to be born in India, where such a dedication is shown to the teachers who hold the hands of the students to take them forward. A teacher's best tribute is when his children, when his students, they outdo and outperform them. Meaning, जब आपके बच्चे, आपके students, आपसे आगे निकलते हैं, that is the best tribute. I can see some of my students also really have been studying with me in my previous school, and now they are very eager to move forward. They are not stuck up here. They are reading, they are scripting, they are still making their career. So, my dear teacher, my dear students, आज मैं आपको एक मतलब बताना चाहूँगी कि आप लोग कभी-कभी you are little rude to your, particularly senior students, I would say. Sometimes you are little rude to your teachers. Sometimes you feel that the punishment and the harsh words used by the teachers are unjustified and they shouldn't have been used for you. But mind you, my dear students, teachers will never have any inimical feeling or any vengeance against you. They always have your welfare in the bottom of their heart. So never ever you think that ये teacher मेरे तो पीछे पड़ी हुई है. Many times I get this kind, and sometimes your parents support their students and they say कि मैम तो मेरे बच्चे को आगे नहीं आने देती. वो हमेशा उसको जब भी वो कुछ कहे मैंने ये टेस्ट देना है, उनको वो फॉर्म नहीं मिलेगा, उसको ये देना है तो उसको आगे नहीं आने देगी. This kind of, but my dear, मैं अपने दिल से कह सकती हूँ that the kind of teacher I have been, and I'm sure that selection made by me is also equally good, that I have never ever thought of anything which is not for building or scripting the career of my students. आज का ज़माना बदल रहा है. मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों के पेरेंट्स से बात करती हूँ तो कहते हैं मेरा बच्चा ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहा है. तो they eliminate the role of teacher there. वहाँ पे जब आपने ऑनलाइन पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया तो आपका जो है रोल जो है टीचर का रोल एलिमिनेट हो जाता है. वहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको पढ़ा रहा है और आप पढ़ रहे हैं. क्या आप सही मायने से मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, क्या टीचर्स रोल भी, कैन टीचर्स रोल भी eliminated, can it be eliminated altogether in your life? Nowadays, you must be watching the TV also, viewing the TV also, and it is being telecast over there कि हमारे इंडियंस जो हैं, they qualified तो हैं, they are qualified, but they are not employable. They are not employable. उनके पास डिग्रीज हैं, लेकिन हुनर नहीं है, टैलेंट नहीं है, और जब भी वही कहीं पे नौकरी के लिए जाते हैं तो they find them unfit for the job because they have not attended the classes. They have not learned what they should have learned during the school and of course in the college as well. So your trend is heading towards academies. Academies are trying to attract you. They are commercial organizations. I simply label them as commercial organizations. They have nothing to do with to build your career, nothing to hone some kind of talent in you, some kind of qualities in you. They are only there. They only promote the students who are very good in studies so that they can publish their photographs in the newspaper and can take the honor of building their career. But in fact, those students are self-motivated. They only are building their own career. And why I mentioned the academies here today? Because we are celebrating the Teachers' Day. And teacher is focusing on the multi